Hello students, welcome to Gradeup, India's largest live learning platform. Sahi prep है तो live set है. Good evening all of you. Am I audible and visible properly to all of you? Please confirm once in the chat box. Yes guys, and do share this class with all your friends and juniors, those who are preparing for this exam, BARC CSE 2021. Please confirm once in the chat box. Everything is fine, audio and video. Okay, so in this class we are going to discuss the important questions, and this is part 1 of operating system. So let's start operating system questions. So before starting, I would request to all of you to please share this class, like this session, and subscribe to Gradeup YouTube channel. So before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Anshul Sharma. I have 1+ years of teaching experience and mentoring GATE CS aspirants. In GATE 2020, I have secured All India rank 294. I have also qualified ISRO and NILET exam. My area of expertise is OS, digital logic, DBMS and compiler design. Okay. So those who want to prepare for GATE 2022 or 2023, so they can subscribe to Gradeup Super for Vision 2022 English batch, for Vision 2022 Hindi batch, or for Vision 2023 Hindi or English batch. So for all these streams it is available, and in this batch you will be getting 850+ hours of live classes, 8000+ practice questions, 100+ mock test and 120+ chapter wise study notes. So subscribe to Gradeup Super, and for more information you can contact on this number as well, 96500 52904. We are also providing a free course for GATE CS 2022, that is our champion study plan. So all these computer science faculties are taking their subject one by one, right? And theory class you are getting at 11 AM daily on Gradeup app. Apart from this, practice class daily at 7 PM on Gradeup GATE YouTube channel. We are also providing daily study notes and the quizzes in this champion study plan, so that you can prepare well for GATE CS 2022 for free, right? And this is the link of my Telegram group, so those who are interested, you can definitely join this group. The link is Anshul_Sharma_CS. I have also provided the link in the chat section. You can see the link there, and you will be getting the PDF of my all YouTube classes for this as well. I will be uploading the PDF so that you can revise it later on. Apart from this, if you have any doubt, definitely you can ask your doubts, and if you need any guidance related to preparation for GATE and BARC, so you are most welcome. You can ask your doubts there as well. Okay, so this is the first question on your screen, everyone. Yes, quickly solve this question. First question. So today we have total 11 questions in this session, and this is the first one. So guys, quickly solve this. Yes, quickly solve this question and let me know what should be the answer in the chat box. Yes, do it quickly and let me know the answer in the chat box, all of you. And do like the session, share with your friends, so that maximum students can get the benefit of these classes. So in this question you have to find the page fault rate ratio if we are using FIFO technique, that is first in first out technique. Okay, so quickly solve this, all of you. What should be the answer for this question number 1? Yes guys, anyone getting the answer for this? Or should we start solving this question now? Okay, let's solve this question now. consider the following page trace. So this is the request given to you, right? Number of frames for the job m is equal to 4, so number of frames are given to you. Then the page fault rate ratio using FIFO technique will be what? So you have to find the approximate value here for page fault rate ratio. So let's see how we can solve this. So here we have the 4 page frames, okay, right? Now here let's start with this. So we are using FIFO, so 4, that is a page fault, 3 will be a page fault, right? 2 will be a page fault, similarly 1 will be a page fault here. Clear? Then we have 4, so 4 is not a page fault because that is already present. 3 already present, so no page fault. Now 5, so we have to replace with 1 page, and as we are using FIFO, so we have to replace with 4. We can write 5 here. Hi Raja, good evening, welcome. Yes, so then 4 we have to replace with 3 because this is FIFO, first in first out, so we can write 4 here. Then 3, so we have to replace with 2, so we can write 3 here. Then we have 2, so we can replace with 1, right? Then we have 1, so we can replace with 5, and then at the end we have to replace 4 for 5. Hi Tushar, good evening, welcome. Yes guys, so how many page faults are there? So you can count all these numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 page faults are there, but we have to find page fault ratio. So what will be the page fault ratio? Total number of page faults divided by the total page request here. So total, if you count, these are 12, right? So 10 divided by 12 into 100 will be your page fault ratio. So if you solve this, yes, if you solve this, in that case, what will be the answer? Answer will come out as 83.33%. So if you see the options, approximate value is option C. Yes. Hi Utkarsh. Yes. What is page fault? So when the required page, when it is not present in the main memory, then we consider that as the page fault. In that case, we have to load that page from the secondary memory to the main memory. Okay. I hope it is clear. Is it clear to all of you? If you have any doubt, please ask in the chat box. Yes, Tushar, is it clear now? Page fault ratio is a number of page faults divided by the total page requests. So 10 divided by 12 into 100 will be your answer. That is 83.33%. Let's solve this question number 2 now, all of you, quickly, and let me know what should be the answer for this question number 2. Yes, quickly do it. Tell me what should be the answer. So here you have to find the percentage of the internal fragmentation. Quickly solve this. Yes, Utkarsh, iska PDF link. See, you will get the PDF. You can join this group. There is the link is available in the chat box, right? So we have pinned up the link. If you can see, right? So you can join this group, and there I will, after this class, I will upload the PDF of this class. Okay. Yes, Raja is saying option B should be the correct answer. Tushar is saying option C should be the answer. Okay, now he's saying option B. So let's solve this question now. The available main memory for loading pages is 64 MB. Okay, with a frame size of 8 MB. So frame size is given to us, that is of 8 MB. If the pages of size 6 MB and 4 MB are loaded into memory, so here we have this 8 MB partition, in that we are loading 6 MB. Right, so here 2 MB of internal fragmentation is present, right? Similarly for other partition as well, if we have loaded 4 MB, so 4 MB of internal fragmentation is present here. What is the percentage of internal fragmentation resulted? So 4 plus 2, that is 6, divided by total partition size, that is 8 plus 8, it is 16, into 100. If you solve this, you will be getting 37.5% as the answer. Clear? B is the correct answer for this question. Yes, Utkarsh, is this link is not working? You can just click on the link. Link is Anshul _ Sharma _ CS. Okay, so you can join the group through this link. Okay. Let's solve this question number 3 now, all of you, based on TLB concept. And meanwhile, I'm sharing the link again in the chat box if it is not visible to any one of you. Okay, you can start solving this question quickly. Yes, do it quickly, all of you. I think the link is visible now in the chat box. I have shared it. So you can copy this link or you can join through it. Okay. Yes, what should be the answer for this one? Question number 3. Guys, do like the session and subscribe to Gradeup YouTube channel. Anyone getting the answer for this? Okay, Raja is saying option A should be the correct one. Okay, what about others? Hi Shantanu, good evening, welcome. Hi Tushar. Okay, option A is the answer. A should be the answer according to you. Okay, so let's solve this question now. A paging system with a page table in memory, every reference to memory takes 100 nanosecond. Okay, so that means if we are referring any page reference which is present in the main memory, it is taking 100 nanosecond. The TLB hit ratio is given to us, that is 85%, and the time needed for searching TLB is almost negligible. That means we are going to consider it as 0. What is the effective memory access time? So let's solve this question. So effective memory access time, that is your EMAT, will be equal to, if it is a hit. If it is a hit, in that case it is 0.85. That is the hit ratio, 85%, so 0.85. If it is a hit, in that case we are going to search TLB. But here searching TLB is almost negligible, time needed for that. So 0 plus, then we are going to search for the page table which is present in the main memory, plus 100. If it is a miss, that is 0.15. In that case 0 plus, first we are going to refer to the page table and then to the main memory for that particular page. So if you solve this, what do you get? 85 here. If you solve this, you would be getting 85 plus this is 15 into 2, right? If you solve this, you will be getting this 85 plus 30, and final answer would be 5 here and 100. So 115 nanoseconds will be the correct answer. Yes. Is it clear to all of you? Option A is the correct answer. If you have any doubt in this, please ask in the chat box. Anyone having any doubt? I hope it is clear. So let's solve this question number 4 now, all of you, and let me know what should be the answer. Okay, Rishi is saying option C for the previous one. Now that is not correct. Yes, Ashlesha, your answer is correct. Yes. Now what should be the answer for this question number 4? If you want to get the PDF of this class, you can join the Telegram group. I will share the PDF there after this class. Okay. Yes. Do it quickly and let me know the answer. Raja is saying option C should be the answer. Yes, anyone else getting the answer for this question number 4? Yeah, that is correct. Number of entries in page table. If you are talking about single level page table, in that case, number of entries in the page table is equal to number of pages in the process. So let's solve this question now. If page size is given to us, that is 2 KB, logical address is given to us, that is 20 bit, then the number of entries in the page table. So you can say number of entries or number of pages here in this case. So that is equal to your logical address space, or you can say virtual address space, both are the same thing, divided by the page size. That will give you the number of pages or the number of entries in the page table. So here you can solve this. 2 raised to the power 20 is going to be a logical address space divided by the page size, which is 2 KB. 2 KB means 2 raised to the power 11 bytes, right? So here 2 raised to the power 11, and you will be getting 2 raised to the power 9, which is 512. So number of entries will be 512. Option C is the correct answer for this question number 4. So very good, all of you, those who have answered this correctly. Now let's solve question number 5 based on CPU scheduling algorithm. Yes guys, quickly solve it. So you here in this question you have to find out the average waiting time for the 3 processes. Yes, do it quickly. Read the question carefully and then try to solve it. Guys, do like the session, share with your friends. Yes, what should be the answer for this question number 5? Raja is saying option A should be the correct one. Okay. Anyone else getting the answer for this question number 5? Okay, let's say this question now. Consider the following table of arrival time and burst time of 3 processes P0, P1 and P2. So process is given to you here, arrival time is given to you and burst time is given to you. The preemptive shortest job first scheduling algorithm is used. Yes, Ashlesha is also getting option A as the answer. Okay. So preemptive shortest job first means it is talking about shortest remaining time first CPU scheduling algorithm, right? So scheduling is carried out only at arrival or completion of process. The average waiting time for 3 process you have to find out. So let's solve it here. So at 0 units of time you can see P0 process has arrived in the ready state, so we can schedule that. So let's schedule P0 process for 1 unit of time. So here we can make it 8, right? Now at 1 unit of time P1 process has also arrived, so we are going to schedule P1 now, right, for 1 unit of time. So 1 plus 1 it is 2, we can make it 3. Clear? Now here at 2 units of time process P2 has also arrived. Now if we compare the burst time of all the processes, so we are going to schedule which one? We are going to schedule this P1 process because that is having the shortest burst time if you compare all the processes. So let's schedule P1 process till its completion. 2 plus 3 it is going to be 5, we can make it 0. P1 has completed its execution. After that we have P0, so we will be scheduling P0 now. So 5 plus 8, it is 13. We can make it 0. P0 has completed its execution as well. And in the end we have P2, so 13 plus 9, that is going to be 22, right? So P2 has also completed the execution. Now completion time is given to us. I mean, we have find it out, right? And the waiting time and turnaround time we can find out here. So completion time of P0 is 13, right? Completion time of P0 is 13. For P1 it is 5, for P2 it is 22. Turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time, right? So okay, so here 13 minus 0, that is 13 here. 5 minus 4, that is 5 minus 1, it is 4. 22 minus 2, that is 20. Now what is waiting time? Waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. So 13 minus 9, that is 4. 4 minus 4, it is 0. 20 minus 9, that is 11. So what will be the average waiting time? You can just add these, 15. So 15 divided by the number of processes, that is 3 here. So you would be getting 5 as the average waiting time. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Very good, all of you, those who have solved it correctly. Okay, so now let's solve this question number 6. Yes, let's solve this question number 6 now and let me know what should be the answer. Guys, do like the session. If you are finding this session helpful, do like it and also share with your friends and classmates, those who are preparing for these exams, BARC 2021. And these questions are also going to be helpful for NILET exam, right? Because the level of both exams are almost same. Yes, quickly solve it. Raja is saying option C should be the answer for question number 6. Okay. Anyone else getting the answer for this question number 6? Let's see this question now. Consider a counting semaphore S. The operation P of S performs the operation minus minus S. That means P of S is wait operation. So basically wait operation decrements the value of the counting semaphore. Operation V of S performs the operation plus plus V. That means your signal operation increments the value by 1. Alright. During a program execution, 21P and 13V operations is performed in the same order. Right. Now what is the smallest initial value of S for which at most 7 processes are in blocked state? Now here suppose S is your initial value, right? Now you are performing 21P operations and 13V operations. So 21 times you are going to decrement it, 13 times you are going to increment it. And you want to find out the smallest initial value of S for which 7 processes will be in the block state. So the negative value of counting semaphore represents the number of processes which are present in the blocked state. So if I'm saying 7 processes, so minus 7 we have to take here. So S minus, this is your 8 is equal to minus 7. S will be equal to minus 7 plus 8, which will give 1 as the initial value, smallest initial value of counting semaphore. So option C is the correct answer for question number 6. Very good, all of you, those who have answered this question correctly. Let's see now question number 7. Yes, quickly solve it and let me know what should be the answer for this. If you have any doubt, guys, in any question, you can ask in the chat box. Yes, Shantanu, option C for which one? Question number 6 or 7? When you answer any question, just mention the question number as well, so that it will be easy for me to read it and to avoid any kind of ambiguity. And guys, if you like this session, if you previous one, if you find this session helpful, so do like it and also share with your friends. And if anyone wants to get the PDF of this class, so you can join the Telegram group. The link is there in the chat box. We have pinned this link. You can just click on it and you can join that. Okay, there you will get the PDF of all my YouTube classes. Okay, Raja is saying option C should be the answer for 7th question. Shantanu is also saying option C. Let's see this question now. Consider the multiple processes share a mutex initialized to 1, right, using following method. So signal operation we are performing first on mutex, then there is a critical section, then a weight of mutex, and then remainder section. So which one of the following statements describes the properties achieved here? Deadlock. Is there any chance of deadlock here? See, signal of mutex, that means you are incrementing the value. So if you are going to increment the value, and as it is mutex, so that means it is binary semaphore, so it is going to remain same, right, 1 only. Then critical section. So suppose P1 arrived in the critical section, similarly P2 can also arrive in the critical section, so we can have multiple processes present in the critical section at a time, right? So there is no chance of deadlock, because one of the necessary condition of deadlock is mutual exclusion. So no mutual exclusion is there. We can have more than one process present in the critical section at a time. Hi Pinky, good evening, welcome. Joined late today. So multiple processes can be there, so no chance of deadlock. Process starvation? No. If we can have multiple processes present in the critical section, so there is no chance of starvation, right? Every process who wants to access the critical section, it can do it, right? So option B is also incorrect. Obviously, for option D is also incorrect, all of the above. Violation of mutual exclusion. Yes, that is pretty much clear from this, that any process can arrive in the critical section. We can have more than one. So that is why it is a violation of mutual exclusion. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Clear? Now solve this question number 8 and let me know what should be the answer, all of you. Yes, tell me what should be the answer for this question number 8. So total we have 11 questions today. And if you talk about BARC exam, the level of BARC exam or the level of NILET exam, both are almost same. And if you compare these exams with the GATE exam, so GATE exam is far higher than this. Okay, you can expect like a 1 mark question of GATE exam that can be asked in the BARC or NILET exam. Okay, not more than that. 2 mark questions you cannot expect in these exams. Yes, Raja is saying option A, Atharv is saying option A, Pinky is saying option A, and Sad M is saying option A. So let's see here, for n number of fork system call, how many parent and child processes will be created? So let's take one process P here. If I'm calling fork system call one time, what will happen? P will be here and one child will get created. Let's name it C1 here, right? Similarly, if I call again fork system call, so here one more child will get created, so it is C2, and for C1 as well one more child will get created. Let's name it C3. So if you notice here, if we are calling n, if n is equal to 2, so here how many childs are getting created? So this is 1, or you can say here this is 1, 2 and 3. So 3 childs are getting created and one parent is there. So parent will always be 1. Right, and if you talk about the child, so that is going to be 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Option A is the correct answer here. Yes, concepts are correlated. Yes, Utkarsh sir, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के लेक्चर कहाँ से देख सकते हैं for question solving, concept clarity? Yes, so that for that you can watch the free classes also, right? And you can also for practice questions, right, for practicing. Question solving, we are also already providing you free classes, and practice series is going on for OS on Gradeup app, so you can refer that. Okay, so daily at 12 p.m. I'm taking the classes on Gradeup app, so you can solve those questions of OS. Apart from this, you have previous year questions. Other than that, you have test series, so you can opt for test series. You can solve some questions, and you can purchase any book also for practice purpose. Yes, Pinky sir, I have one doubt related to OS memory partition algorithm. Please, can I ask her? Okay, you can ask, or if you want to ask in the Telegram also, so you can ask there as well. I will reply definitely. Okay. Yes, Raja is saying option D should be the answer. Shantanu is also saying option D here. So let's see now, if the value of binary semaphore is initialized with 1. So binary semaphore value is 1 here, initial value. 3 wait operations are performed. So if we are performing 3 wait operations, so for the first operation it is going to make 0. Suppose P1 process arrived and it performed wait operation, so it is going to make it 0. Then 2 more processes are arriving, P2 and P3. Now, as already the value of binary semaphore is 0, in that case these 2 processes will get blocked and they will be present in the block list. So that's what we have to answer. How many processes will be there in the block list? Option D is the correct answer. Yes, already we have taken lots of classes on practice series on OS, so you can watch them, right? You can watch them there. Yes, question number 10, all of you. This is very simple question. So now the 3 to 4 questions we have in the end, all are very simple. You can easily answer. Yes, Pinky, in memory partition algorithm like first fit, best fit, next fit, if dynamic or static partition not given in question, then by default which partition we will use? Which partition technique you are saying? You have to go for dynamic. You have to go for dynamic by default. Okay. Is it clear, Pinky? Yes, Raja is saying option B should be the correct answer. Are you sure, Raja? Shantanu is saying option A should be the answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer for this one. Option A is the correct answer. Let's see. All the information associated with the specific process is contained in PCB of that process, right? Whenever we shift the program from the secondary memory to the main memory, that means from new state to the ready state, so the PCB of that process will get created, and all the information we store in PCB. So process control block is the correct answer. There is nothing like program control block, and TLB and heap are not related to this one. Okay, is it clear? Yes, Utkarsh. So you can go to Gradeup app, and there you can go to my profile, and there you will find all the classes. Okay, all those classes which I have taken so far. Okay, let's answer this last question of today's class, question number 11. So this is the last question. Quickly answer this. Hi Shashikala, good evening, welcome. Yes guys, what should be the answer for this one? Guys, do like the session if you find these sessions helpful, and also share with your friends. Yes, anyone getting the answer for this question number 11? Raja is saying option B should be the answer. Okay, Shashikala is saying option A should be the answer. Most of the students are saying option A should be the answer. Okay. Let's see now. Okay, let's see this question now. The data section of a process in memory contains, see, in the memory of a process we have, if we talk about the abstract view of a process, so we have the stack that grow downwards, we have the heap that grow upwards, then we have code section, data section, right? So here it is in option, it is talking about function parameters and local variables. So for that purpose we use stack. So whenever we call one function, so activation record will get created in the stack, but here it is talking about data section. Yes, C is the correct answer. Option A is incorrect, right? Here it is talking about data section. Return addresses are also present in the stack, that is in the activation record of that function. Option B is also incorrect. But if you talk about data section, yes, global variables are present in the data section only. Clear? Option C is the correct answer here. So I thought this was an easy question, but most of the students have answered incorrectly. I hope it is clear now, all of you. Okay, so that's it. And those who want to join the Telegram group, this is the link. Okay, this is Anshul _ Sharma _ CS. This is the link. You can just type in the Telegram and you will get it. You will get the PDF of all my YouTube classes, today's as well, and doubt clearances. If you have any doubt, you can definitely ask. Apart from this, if you need any guidance, so you are most welcome. I will definitely help you out. These are the star faculties we have at Gradeup for computer science courses. All are highly professional and highly experienced. In GATE 2021, we have 10 plus gradients under AR10 among all the streams. Right? And if you want to subscribe to Gradeup Super, you can subscribe it. You will be getting unlimited access to structured live courses by India's best faculty, complete doubt resolution, full syllabus coverage. Okay. Apart from this, you will also be getting green card, in which you will be getting 100 plus online mock tests designed by the toppers based on the latest exam pattern. For more information, you can contact on this number as well. Yes, Atharv, what other things are there in the data section? So static variables are also there in the data section, right? And if we talk about the code and the text, so that is present in the code section, not in the data section. Yes, Utkarsh sir, university exam के लिए beneficial है for semester exam. Yes, definitely. If you are preparing for GATE and if your concepts are good, definitely you will do well in the semester exams also in those subjects. Okay. So that's it. And one more thing, those who haven't downloaded Gradeup app, so they can download and they can start watching the free classes and the mock test. They can also attempt free mock test on Gradeup app, and they will be getting the structured live courses as well there. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you have enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow, right? Same timing, 5:30 p.m. right? And I'm also going to share the link in the group, Telegram group, so you can join it. Apart from this, you can join 12 p.m. class tomorrow on Gradeup app. Okay, there also we will discuss questions on operating system. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining this class. I will see you soon. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you.